Animal Kingdom Learn to Draw book, what I do say is you can easily turn these into colouring projects, because the book is like a practice. So you draw, you transfer it onto the grid on this side, then get a piece of paper out, draw the grid again, draw your animal, and then rub out the grid, and then basically you've got your animal then to colour in. So it's kind of 2-in-1 activity in one book. So we've got a rhino, we've got the fox, we've got the hippo, we've got the lion. There was the flamingo on there, don't worry, on the actual one. See, I've had to change it. I'll put the flamingo in the right place. There's the lion, there's the gorilla. This is why you have to have a proof of your books, because sometimes you miss out things. What's that called again? Meerkat. I couldn't think of the name then. There's a leopard, there's a zebra. So all these are basically learn to draw, and then when you transfer it to, say, an A4 piece of paper, you make sure the grid you've drawn is in pencil, rub that out, and then you've got a colouring page basically, haven't you? You've drawn your picture. Is that all right, Kerry? So there's a kangaroo, we got the koala, we got a frog, then we've got a horse, then we've got the crocodile or alligator, we've got a turtle, or a tortoise I should say. Turtles are the ones with webbed feet, aren't they, that go swimming. An elephant, then we've got the deer, and then they start to get a little bit trickier. We've got the rhino, we've got, I haven't broken the spine of this one yet, so you can't see right in there. So there's a giraffe, hippo. As you can see, there's lots and lots of pages in here. A zebra head, we've got an antelope, we've got the giraffe, a wolf, we've got there's another either deer or antelope, we've got the tiger, there's a couple of tigers there, there's one just looking all cute and soppy like a domestic cat, and then you've got the vicious version, but both of them will be fun to draw. So remember, you're transferring to the grid in the book. That's your first practice. Then you get your own. If you're buying a kit, I include the A5 sketchbook as well, and you get pencils, rubber and eraser, and a full set of pencils with all the different grades you need. So you draw the grid again, and then you draw the animal again, and then you can colour away to your heart's content and draw and rub out the grid. It'll look like you've drawn it yourself. Okay, thanks Dulcie. Lovely to see you again. Maybe see you in a bit. Then there's the lion, and then we're done. So, although it's a little book, there's a lot in it, and the aim of it being little, like A5 size, is so that it's easier for you to transport and take with you, kind of, you know, if you're going to the beach, or if you're going out for the day, if you're going on the bus or the train. And same for the pad. I've bought the pad so that it fits nicely with it. You can just pop a pencil in your bag and a rubber, and you don't need anything else. But when you obviously transfer it onto paper, you can be doing that bit at home and doing the colouring bit at home. So yeah, that's that.